I love forest. It is the place where you hear yourself better. Hello, good morning, everyone. It's me, Sangam Kral, respected teachers and my friend. Today, I'm here to deliver a short speech on the topic of forest. I'd like to thank our sir, Mr. Sandesh Rai, to give me this opportunity. With your permission, I'd like to start these topics. Nepal is blessed with natural beauty. It is rich in natural resources. Forest is one of these resources. Nepal is covered by green forest. It provides habitation to the wildlife. Forest is most important for animals and us. It gives us to fruit to eat. Forest gives us medicine. We should not cut tree. We should not cut tree. It is the place where animals can live. We should cut tree for tree table, chair, firewood, etc. Thank you.
Hello, good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and respected teacher, and dear my friend. Today I am going to talk about forest. Forest, forest are the uh, uh, largest pieces of land. Largest piece of land. Forest give uh, forest give uh, vegetable, fruits, and uh, fruits, fruits and vegetable. Forest forest live in animals and us. Forest providing water and fruits and vegetable and breathing for uh, human life. Um and forest ecology Forests are the ecology system, maintaining the ecology system for a healthy food. So we would save the forest and don't cutting trees. And thank you.
Hello, good morning everyone. This is Sarla Prasani. Today I am going to speak about forest. A large number of trees on a place of land make up forest. They are the best source of oxygen. It provides foods, water, oxygen, so on. Forest sorry, trees in forest help in maintaining ecological balance and biodiversity. Um, they are the sitter of many animals and birds. We should always protect the forest. Thank you.
Hello everyone, it's me Abhipsa Shrestha. Today I am going to talk about forest. Uh, the world is very vast. There are so many countries in this vast world, such as Nepal, China, Japan, India, America, Australia, so on. Among them, Nepal is also one. Nepal is a small and most beautiful country. It is multilingual, multicultural, multi-caste, multi-religious country. Uh, Nepal is rich, rich of natural resources. Uh, Nepal is mountains country. It is naturally beauty. Uh, it is a source of oxygen. The forests are green forest, water, snow camp. Uh, Snow camp are its main attraction. It is very important of human and other animals. Thank you.
Hello everyone. Good morning sir and good morning all guys. It's me Maya Karki. Today I am going to talk about forest. Forest have trees, plant and grass. Forest are the habitats of wild animals and birds. In addition, different reptiles, insects also live in the forest. Forests are for forests are very important for human life and others animals. Thank you.
हरियो वन नेपालको धन. We know, right? Hello, all my friends and my respected teacher. I'm going to talk about forest. Forest is very important for human life. It's give us oxygen and take pollution. There is many types of animals stay also. Uh, we can get many types of plant, uh, woods from forest. Wood is the very important, uh, useful for human life. We can make table, we can make bed, we can make kitchen rack, we can make cupboard, so on. We can get also uh, many types of herbs and food items. Nepal is the one of the beautiful country in the world. There is a lot of national park also. There is a total 12 national park in Nepal. First national park is the Chiton National Park. Then biggest national park is the Sefaksundo National Park, and smallest national park is the Rara National Park. Thank you.
Forest cover one third area land of Earth. Hello, good morning, respected teacher and my dear friend. I am Saurabh. Today I am going to speak about forest. Forest is most important in our Earth because forests provide uh, main important gas and woods, feeds, food, uh, so on. Forest, forest. Thank you.
Forests are the wealth of human being. Hello, good morning everyone, respected teachers and my dear all friends who have come today. I would like to speak on the topic of forest, when different types of trees or various types of trees are also grow live in the forest. Naturally, that are also called forest. Forest include trees. It is very important for our human beings and ecosystem. We have all trees and all plants, bosses and grass from our forest. There are different types of wild animals and birds are live in the forest. In addition, different reptiles and different insects are live in the forest. So it is very important for our human beings and animals. We get many things from our forest. We collect timber, grass from our forest. We give grass to our domestic animal. So we make different furniture like from the timber, like table, desks, bench, cupboard, etc. and so on. We also get many things from our forest, like medicinal herbs. We also get oxygen to water from our forest. Cutting down of the trees are the major problem of global warming, climate change, and floods. So we should preserve our forest and we should save the forest. Thank you so much.
Hello, my respected teacher and my dear friend. It's me, Miran Magar. Today I am going to talking about forest. Forests are the line life of of the of the earth. Forests are the weight weight wide area that covered with many trees. Forests are the shelter of many animals and birds. They keep our environment healthy. They provide us clean air. They reduce uh, pollution. They attract rain cloud. They preserve groundwater. Forests are us the lungs of the planet. We should always save the forest. Thank you.